going to find out marble quantity on stairs. So for marble, what we need definitely the area. So in this regard, what we will do, we will go into the stairs sections, we will find out the risers and the tread. According to that, we will find out the area for the marble. So let's move into the drawing and find out the marble quantity over there. Now here we have a plan in the section for the stair, and in stair, in order to install the marble, all we need to do is we need to find out how many risers we have, how many treads we have. Based on that, we can find out the total area. Remember one thing here, let's suppose we have the riser. All we need to do is we need to find out breadth of our stair, and height of the riser can give us the total area. Yes, and likewise for the tread, it is a breadth of our stair and breadth of our the tread. So this is how you can find out. In AutoCAD, you can also find out like you can go here with the polyline command to find out, but I'll find out simply here with the tread and the riser in the landing. I'll let you know about how. So simply we will go here, and this is basically the starting marble floor. Yes, we need what the length. Sorry, I'll copy this one, move to and create copy, press OK. Rename this with marble for stairs, and simply write it over here as well, marble for stairs. Delete all of this stuff from here, no problem. And in marble we need definitely the length and the breadth in order to find out the area. First of all, we will find out for the risers. I'll write here marble for stairs, and we need first for the risers, and we need what the total number of risers first, where we need to install it. So how many risers we have, we can find out it from the section. First of all, this is the ground level. First riser is over here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then 10 and 11 up till flight 1, and then next to it 12, 13 and 14 risers we have total. So I'll put it as 14. Then we need to do what? I'll copy this format over here. Then we need what? Total breadth of our stair, that is 1.2 meter, and then height of our riser. This is what we need over here. So height of our riser is 225 mm, mean 0.225, and in order to find out the total quantity, it is equal to numbers multiplied by length multiplied by height. Simple. Now we will go for the tread, and how many treads we have? Let's check this one as well. So it is a total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then we have 11 12, and this is basically our slab level. So how many we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and then we have 13. So total of 13 treads that we have. Let me put it over here, the 13, and next to it, what about the breadth of our stair, that is 1.2 meter, and what about the breadth of our tread? It is total of 300 millimeter. So tread is basically the horizontal part, riser is vertical part. So 300 millimeter, put it over here, 300 mean 0.3, and let me drag this formula up to this position. Now next and the last thing we need to find out for the landing as well. So go here, landing, and number as 1. So what about the length and the breadth of the landing? You can go into the plan and you can find out it from here as well. We need definitely the area over here. So it is 1.2 by 1.2, 1200 by 1200, I think. Yes. So 1.2 by 1.2, and drag this formula again over here, and we have find out all of the marble quantity here on stairs as well. This is a total of 9.9 meters square of marble we need over here, and this is basically the process how we can find out the marble work on stairs.